Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. After I explored Virgin Island, now we are going to Baigad Lagoon and beach. When you come to Bantayan Island, Virgin Island is the most famous place to visit and it was very beautiful also. When you explore the island, don't miss the cliff jumping over there. It was awesome and mind-blowing and very thrilling. I highly recommend that. If you want to know more about my experience, I have two videos in my channel right now. Please check it out. We are getting close to the Baigad Lagoon beach. The climate was very cloudy and no sunlight. It looks very dull. Looks like the beach haven't cleaned for a week. All the dead seaweed floating on the shore. It looks very black. It looks like a garbage dump yard. Our landing impression on this beach is not that great. Either way, I'm very optimistic about this place. This situation doesn't slow me down. This is the private beach. You have to pay 200 peso for entrance fee. And you can see that there is a swimming pool construction going on. After register over here, we explore the place. This beach facility open in the morning 7:30 am, close at 5:30 pm in the evening. No car gauge. That means you can bring your own liquor and drink by the beach. They won't charge you extra for that. That is a good thing. And here you can see the famous place in Bantayan that tourists can visit. Don't worry, in the future we are going to explore one by one all the famous places in this island. This is a restaurant called Liquido by the Sea. Since the construction going on, currently it was closed. This is a bar and a small restaurant, so you can order snacks, cocktail and wine. The restaurant have a small menu which include local and western delight. Since the swimming pool construction going on, they temporarily close this bar and restaurant. After complete the construction, it will be look beautiful. They have a couple of swing over here nearby the beach, which looks amazing. The management have a very good plan and develop this place. At the same time, never affect the natural beauty. These facilities have a minimum 100 seats. You can sit down, you can lie down. At the same time, you can enjoy the natural beauty. This is the best place for get together and mini parties, and nice location for wedding. This place can easily fit for 500 people. The lagoon side maintained very clean and beautiful. On the beach side, they need a major cleanup since they are collecting entrance fee of 200 pesos and this is a private beach. They have to keep clean. And when I was there, the facility is fully closed down. We rely on the beach and the lagoon. My brother relaxing in the swing. He had a great time. And finally, I fly my drone to show you guys actually how beautiful the place is. You can see from here, one side is beach, the other side is lagoon. The lagoon runs like a river. You have a beautiful bridge in the middle. Look at the place. Even though it is a cloudy day, this lagoon looks amazing. It filled with a lot of coconut trees and mangrove forest. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. The water looks so crystal clear. In certain angle from the air, the water looks blue and green. It's mind-blowing. Look at that. Certain beauty you can only enjoy from the top view. I highly recommend this place. Please go and check it out, guys. Now you can see beach on the one side, lagoon on the other side. This place you can explore part of the island hopping or part of the land tour. If you want to save the money, don't do it as a island hopping tour. do as a part of the land tour. You can save a lot of money. This place, if you explore with island hopping, you need entire day. But with the land tour, if you have a 2 hours, that is good enough to explore this place. This is a must-see location when you come to the Bantayan Island. Please don't miss it. In the near future, this place going to be looks amazing and is going to offer so many things to the public. They have a beautiful beach one side, they have a lagoon on the other side, they have the swimming pool, you have the bar, at the same time snacks, and you have a lot of place to relax. So this is going to be a very famous place in the future. I'm really glad I was explored this place. In that point in time, when you pay 200 pesos entrance fee, that will be well worth it. Because this establishment will offer you so much facilities for 200 pesos entry fee. That will make more sense. So whoever coming after 3 or 4 months, they will enjoy more. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Please share to your friends. I see you guys in the next video soon. Thank you.